stomach. It is also one of the part located on the alimentary canal. And here we can see that the diagram of stomach, and here we can identify the specific parts which are located in the stomach region. See that what is stomach and what is the function of stomach, we will see that. Here it is this J-shaped bag-like muscular distensible part. Here it appears like J-shaped structure and it is a muscular structure distensible part. So whenever the food is taken more than the required, the stomach will be expanded. That it is composed with muscular structures. So whenever the food is taken more than the required, that will be expanded. The X is a J-shaped muscular bag-like distensible part. Where it is located? It is located in the upper left portion of the abdominal cavity. Here it is inferior to the diaphragm. So here diaphragm is located and this is the left upper portion of the body. There we can identify the stomach, and just below the diaphragm region we can identify it. And here it has three parts. The stomach is divided into three parts: anterior cardiac stomach, middle large fundic region, which is also having the main body part, and the posterior part is called as pyloric region. So that opens into the duodenum of small intestine. So just behind this here small intestine is located, and that the pyloric region opens into the small intestinal part called duodenum. So there we can identify the pyloric region. Here these are the three parts located in the stomach region: the anterior cardiac stomach, and the middle fundic stomach, which is also having the main body part, and then the third part, posterior part, is called as pyloric stomach. So these are the three regions present in the stomach. And next, the stomach is regulated by two specific sphincters. Here just behind the esophagus one sphincter is located, and just behind the pyloric region there is also one sphincter is present, that is called pyloric sphincter. Here the esophagus is regulated in the stomach through the cardiac sphincter. So whenever the food is entered into the stomach that has not entered into, comes to the backflow into the esophagus, that is prevented by cardiac sphincter. And next, pyloric sphincter. It is located between the pyloric stomach and duodenum. The passing of food from the pyloric region into the duodenum is regulated by pyloric sphincter. So two sphincters located in the stomach region. One is located between the esophagus and stomach, and another one is located between the pyloric stomach and the duodenum. And next here, the pyloric sphincter generally prevents the backflow of food into the pyloric region. So whenever the food is completely digested in the small intestine, that should be prevented. Again, whichever enters into the pyloric region, that is regulated by the pyloric sphincter. And sometimes the food maybe passes from the stomach into the esophagus. That also should be prevented. The preventive structure is known as a cardiac sphincter, located in the esophagus and cardiac stomach. So this is the structure of stomach located on the alimentary canal, and it is very important to store the food. Maximum of 3 to 4 hours we can store the food in the stomach region.